Hey guys and gals, how you doing today? This is Sweet Project Cars, and we are going to be doing some serious work on the Blue Bomber right there. We are going to put inner tie rods on. I've got a couple cool tools to show you, and we're going to be putting ball joints in, and I'm going to change out the sway bar links that I put in. I want to use these here that have the grease zerks in it. New boots, tie rod ends, and that video for all of this stuff here will be next week Sunday, so don't miss it. It's going to be really good. This week I'm going to show you a new tool that I think will work really good for you, and it's pretty sweet. Now don't forget also that we have a new channel out called, guess what, Budinsky, and it's real short. It's a minute videos, and it's just asking you your opinion and your thoughts. Julio, tell everybody where all the tools are located.
Buscar en el show más de la descripción del video para todas las herramientas.
Thank you, Julio. See there, Chavez, Rodriguez, Jorge, Johnson, Thompson. So let's get busy. All right, we're going to try a special pickle fork on this one. And what I like to do is put a little bit of our special grease right here, and it does make a difference. Look at that. Most likely one of the handiest tools I've ever used. So make sure you catch next week's video where I replace this and the inner one with some awesome tools. Check out the tools in the tools list and check out Budinsky. The link will be there. As we always say, Sweet Project Cars out.